Yo, my man, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Appreciate you. Good,
I'm
man.
Andy again, bro. This is it right here?
Yeah, this is it, bro.
I got you. Yes, sir. So, yeah, you left the keys in this joint?
It's in my bag right over there.
I bet. Not a problem, bro. All good, bro. It happens. Be surprised, man. Shit. This happens quite a bit.
Yeah,
but it's all right. This one might be able to go in there now. Might be a little bit better now. Yep, see, boom.
Yep.
That's what I needed, bro. But, let's see if it gives me enough to turn. I might have to do a little bit more. Might have to open up this a little bit more so that way I can get more leverage in there. Yeah, that might, there you go, that might work. That's all right. That's all right. Oh, there it is, Papa.
Brother.
Yo, you the man, big dog.
Brother, you the man, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm not, I was freaking out.
Nah, you good. Make sure it's not locked, though, right?
Yeah.